Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Jeep Gladiator garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. Locate the three Home Link buttons, typically found in the overhead console or on the sun visor. To clear any previous programming, press and hold the two outside buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly, which usually takes about 20 seconds. This step ensures a clean slate for new programming. Now, let's program your home link with your existing garage door remote. Position your handheld remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Watch the indicator light. It will flash slowly at first, then rapidly. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons. This step teaches your home link the remote's frequency. If you have a rolling code garage door opener, there's an extra step. Go to your garage door opener motor, usually on the ceiling, and find the Learn or Train button. Press and immediately release this button. You now have about 30 seconds to return to your Jeep. Once inside, press and hold the Home Link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this action 2 more times. This finalizes the rolling code synchronization. With programming complete, it's time to test your new Home Link setup. Make sure the garage door area is completely clear of any people or objects. Then, simply press the Home Link button you just programmed in your Jeep Gladiator. Your garage door should now open or close smoothly. If it doesn't activate, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. You'll be enjoying the convenience of your integrated opener in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.